So here is how you can turn off the vibration on your keyboard on the Android phone. So let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So we open up the settings, of course, and we just want to manage the actual keyboard that we use. So this is a Samsung phone and I'm using the built-in Samsung keyboard. So that's why I'm going to go there to the settings of that particular one. Keep in mind that you can be using a different one, like a downloaded one from the Play Store, like SwiftKey, Gboard, and so on. But let me just continue with the Samsung one. So inside of the settings, I'm going to go to the general management, and in there, as you can see, I can change the Samsung keyboard settings. And when I tap on it, there are so many things I can go through. So in here, the option we are looking for is the swipe, touch, and feedback. And when you get there, you can see plenty of different things. But if you click on the touch feedback, we have the sound, vibration, and character preview. So as you can see, I already have the vibration disabled, and then that's the thing you probably want to as well. But you can also turn off the sounds as well as the previews. So that's up to you, and that's how you can make that work. So that's really nice, and as I say, it works well, but only within this keyboard. So if you are using a different one, for example, as I said, the Gboard, for instance, is a good choice. A lot of people use that. You can still kind of like make the changes to it, but within the actual app and in the settings right there. The principle is going to be similar, but you have to look for it in the right place. But now that's going to be about it. I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the future uploads.